Yesterday already we learned some of the topics in the triangles, that is the congruence and the criteria. Okay, we learned how to prove any two triangles are congruent. Okay, with the help of criteria. Few criteria already we learned. Okay, the last criteria, the one more criteria, right angle hypotenuse side. Means what? Generally we are saying as RHS. What is this criteria means? It is only applicable for right angle triangle. Okay, in the right angle, if any two right angle triangles are there, if you want to prove that two triangles are congruent, you just verify these three things. One is what? Already two triangles are right angle triangle means one is satisfied, that is right angle. Okay, next what you have to observe, the two triangles hypotenuse is same or different. Okay, that you have to observe. If it is same, okay, second condition also completed. If it is not equal means directly you can say the two triangles are not congruent. Okay, the last one is what? Side. Generally, if it is a right angle triangle, in general ABC is a right angle triangle, 90 degree and hypotenuse is equal and two sides will be known. In these two sides, any one side. Okay, no? If you are taking this one, if you are taking this side, it's a corresponding side in the other triangle. Again, not the different one. If you are considering one more triangle means here also the same one. Okay, corresponding side. Any side maybe this one or this one, but its corresponding should be equal. If it is satisfying this condition, then you can say that two given right angle triangles are congruent, or in general you can say the two given triangles are congruent. You can go by the activities also. They have given few examples also. You go through that example problems. Clear? So next concept is what? Inequalities in a triangle. See, have you observed or not? From the beginning of the chapter, we are learning about the equalities. Means, if suppose angle D is equal, the corresponding angle is equal. If this side is equal to this one, equal. If this angle is equal to this, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. From the beginning, we are discussing only on the equalities. Correct or not? So now, if you want to compare inequalities, okay, triangle means maybe sometimes equal corresponding sides will be, sometimes unequal corresponding sides will be. No. If you want to compare that, how will you compare? In general, if you are comparing line segments means, see, suppose if it is an AB, okay, and if it is a KL, directly by looking at these two line segments, you can say this is a greater than the AB line segment. In case of angle also, AOP, okay, now suppose X, Y, Z, this angle is greater than this one. Clearly, it is visible. Clear or not? So this is on the line segments and the particular angle. In case of the same thing in case of triangles, if they ask to do some, if they ask to cross check inequalities, okay, how we can cross check? Means mainly what we are comparing is, if in the triangle, if all three sides are different, all three angles are different, then the relation from angle and the sides, just what will happen? Okay, just I will go with an example, then you will come. Suppose you consider one triangle, okay, A, B, suppose this is the C. Any one side you extend, okay. So I will extend the AC side. AC side I will extend. See, just you observe here, C at the point C, A, C, B. We don't know the exact angle, but somewhat in some decent angle is there. Here also CBA, ACB. Correct or not? For respective of this length, this is the angle. For this angle, this is the length. Just now what I will do, I will take different points on this extended line and I will join that point to the vertex B. And just you observe what is going to happen. See, just I will take this point here. This point is C dash. So now from the C dash to B, join. Okay, next C double dash. From that to clear or not? See, for A, B, C, something angle like X. Correct or not? For A, B, C, angle is X. The length of AC is somewhat Y or Z or some unit. Clear or not? See, here gradually angle is increasing. Correct or not? See, A, B, C angle is less than A, B, C dash. Correct or not? A, B, C dash angle is greater than X. Their length also greater. Correct or not? AC dash is greater than AC. So this you take it as Y. So A, B, C double dash angle is greater than A, B, C dash. Correct or not? That's why A, C double dash, their length also greater. Comparatively, see A, C dash, A, C double dash. Clear or not? Their length is greater. This angle is greater. Clear or not? So what is happening? If length is increasing, automatically angle will increase. In this case, some inequalities case. Clear or not? At the same time, if you are increasing length, angle is increasing. No? If you are increasing length, angle is increasing. If you are increasing angle, what will happen on the length? We will see. Just you see some base you take. Okay, this is not 90 degree. Okay, some angle. See, look at the angle here. Okay, so this is the smallest angle, I hope so. Okay, somewhat for some A angle, this is the length. This is the length L1. Suppose it will increase the length, angle. If we are increasing the angle, what will happen? This point we take it as R dash. Again, you increase the length, angle. We increase the angle. Automatically, length also increases. Clear or not? So, if you are increasing the length, then automatically their opposite angle will increase. Okay? If you are increasing the angle, automatically their opposite side will be increasing. Their length will be increasing. Correct or not? And one more thing, in any triangle, okay, if it is a largest side, just to observe, if A, C double dash, B, in triangle A, C double dash, B, okay, here AC double dash is the largest side. If it is the largest side, then automatically their opposite angle will be the largest angle in the triangle. Clear or not? Or else, if it is the largest angle, if angle P is the largest angle in this triangle, their opposite side will be largest side in the triangle. Okay, this is the concept which is there in the inequality. If you are increasing the length, angle will increase. If you are increasing the angle, length will increase. Their opposite length, okay, not others. Their opposite side will be the side will increase. Okay, if you are any one side, if you are increasing, its opposite angle will increase. Okay, in generally triangle, okay, if it is the largest angle, three angles will be known. In the three angles, if it is the largest angle, then automatically their opposite side will be the largest side. If it is the smallest angle, their opposite side will be smallest one. Same is applicable for the both the things. This is the small and very important concept in triangles, inequalities in a